Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Hoover washing machine if it displays error code E05. This error code will usually appear when the NTC, also called the rear water temperature sensor, has failed. If the water in your washing machine is not reaching the temperature it needs to, the printed circuit board will be notified and your washing machine will display the E05 error code on the display screen. When this error code is displaying, it means the NTC needs to be replaced. Fortunately, it's an easy fix to do at home as long as you know the right steps, so let's go through it together. Safety first, always turn off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To complete this repair, you're going to need a 7mm socket. To access the old NTC, you need to remove the back panel of the washing machine by undoing the 6 screws that hold it in place using your 7mm socket. Now that you can access the NTC, as you can see it's here behind the drum, you can use your 7mm socket set to undo these 2 screws. First, have to remove the electrical plug connection. And then once the screws are removed, you can pull the NTC out. To find the correct NTC for your washing machine, you're going to need your appliance's model number. To learn how to find the model number on your appliance, you can see our video here. How to find the model number on a washing machine. Put your brand new NTC in and then refit the 2 screws and the electrical connection. You can then refit the back panel. So there we have it, how to fix an E05 error code on your Hoover washing machine. While you're here, it's always a great idea to fix and maintain your own washing machine, but it's also a good idea to make it more efficient. You can find out how to save energy on your washing machine by watching our video down here, energy saving tips for your washing machine. And you can also save money on your bills as well. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more product demos, appliance advice videos, and everything related to eSpares. Thanks for watching.